Hey guys, Midwest5 here again. What we're going to be up to today is making a video on basically the Whisper Fusion versus the Benjamin Prowler 177 cal. The Benjamin Prowler is 177 cal right there, and we're going to be using the exact same pellets, piranha pellets and piranha pellets. We're just going to kind of go overall basically the functionalities of these two guns real quick.
3, 2.
So basically in this video, basically had a bit of an injury. It had nothing to do with air guns or real guns at all. So what we're going to have is basically Edie behind the camera doing the shooting. I'll see if I can shoot basically one of the oranges, but what we're going to basically go over is just the functionalities of this. Basically, this is the 22 cal Whisper Fusion, for those of you that don't know, and it's the Gamo, and it's extremely pretty lightweight comparison to the other one. Basically, this says 1000 FPS, 1100 FPS. Basically, you can go check out my other videos and stuff like that. You can add a scope to this if you really like to. This one is a scope only. It feels about a lot heavier, like 2 or 3 times heavier. It's actually really bulky, but I mean, for a 177 gallon, you really want that heaviness to be super accurate. It just has kind of a junky scope on there, but we'll see if we can hit those oranges as a ballistic test with both of these calibers and these guns. Now, just to let you know, this has been a 2-person use, so it's a lot weaker, especially now that we're doing it obviously in the cold here. So let's get to shooting. Alright, so we're going to be using the 177 with a 10.5 grain. Here we go at the oranges. Go. We're going to be shooting on the left. He just grazed it. We're going to take another shot. There we go. Alright, up next is going to be the 22 cal, 14.3 grain. Here we go. One on the right with a 22 cal. Whoa. Alright, so this is the orange that we shot. We cut it open with a knife just to show you kind of a small little entrance hole there, I think. Or, yep, entrance hole right there. We grazed the top there. There's the other piece. And here's the entrance of the 22 cal. You can see about a 1/2-inch wound cavity. Now, there's not a whole lot of explosion on the actual front because it has such a thick wall. But I'll tell you what, it actually does look like that when you do shoot a squirrel or a rodent or whatnot. So there's the other piece. So yeah. Alright, so we got some cans out there full of water. 177 on the left. Here we go. Right, now for the 22 cal. Right, so this was exactly about 10 yards or so. Here is the 177 can. Okay. Not a whole lot of nothing happened there. These are both piranha pellets. This is the damage of the other one. You can kind of see what happened to my hand there. Like I said, it had nothing to do with that sort of deal. But anyways, that injury had nothing to do with actual guns or nothing. It was actually done by like a router sort of deal, but something like that. But anyway, you can see very, very good damage on the can. So we'll wrap it up real quick for you guys, and we'll see you next time. Okay, so basically we can definitely tell that the 22 cal, obviously very, very close range, did a lot more damage obviously, but one thing I've noticed is basically this one is a little bit louder actually than this one. Not because it's a bigger caliber, well, it could be that, but actually it is a very good gun for what it does. I'll tell you that much. I've dropped it a few times, still works. The sights got a little wobbly on me one time, so basically that's that. This one was a friend of mine that was a friend of his, so it was a 2-person use, like I said in the beginning. But yeah, we're just kind of doing a quick review on that and stuff like that. So if you really like this idea of us doing this kind of performance or whatnot, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments of both of these guns and stuff like that. We'll see you next time on Midwest5.